right, here we are, Chris Gallo, Flip and Hold Funding Realty Solutions, talking through new borrowers and flip and hold, what that looks like, what the process looks like to get set up and do your first deal with us. We already talked about step one, which was a conversation on our one-time application. Now, step two is simply once you've gotten the application done, and what we do is we issue you a proof of funds letter. You can use that proof of funds letter with offers when you're submitting offers, or however else you want to use that to show end users. If you're trying to go after an end user off market deal, you can show that to a wholesaler, you can show that to a bank, you can show it to a real estate agent. Use that as kind of credibility that you have a line of credit with Flip and Hold Funding, and you're already pre-approved with us and we're ready to fund a deal for you. So once that's all done and we give you that proof of funds letter, then you simply go out and make a bunch of offers, knock on a ton of doors, get a property with a signed offer or a purchase and sale agreement, and you send it to us. So that's step number two. Get a property under agreement and send it to us. And when you send it to us, it's critical that you give us three things, okay? I want to know address and purchase price, okay? I want to see a copy of the purchase and sale agreement, but I want to know address and purchase price. I want to know rough renovation budget with scope. Okay, Chris, I'm going to spend $100,000 in reno. Sounds great. Are you doing kitchens, baths, flooring, septic system, landscaping, whatever it is? I want a rough description of the scope of work. And the third and equally important thing, I want comps. I want to know your ARV, and I want you to back that ARV up with sold comps. So what does that mean? Well, that means this. If you're bringing me a house and you say the after repair value after your fix up is $500,000, I want to see sold comps within 3 to 6 months of similar houses at $500,000. So don't bring me, if you're bringing me a Cape on a quarter of acre and it's selling for $500,000, then don't send me a comp of a colonial on 3 acres that is way more square footage, right? We need like comps so we can make we can make an educated decision on whether we agree with you. We always pull our own comps anyway, but we like to see that the borrowers are thinking that way, taking the initiative when they bring us those comps. All right? Step 3, we'll get into the term and the points. Be back in a minute.